Gas on, power on, choke on, ignition on, ignition. First things first, we had to build the rear engine mounts. I set the engine location exclusively on the length of the clutch cable, so it's as far back as it could go, and still have a single clutch cable working up to the front handlebars. Then I cut off an old frame I had laying around just to get the front motor mounts. Took a piece of 1-inch tube, shoved that in there, welded it all together, and made some mounts up at the top of the frame to mount the front of the engine. Then I built a wiring harness. The old one was there were too many bad connections, broken wires in it, so I pretty much just cut everything out and replaced it all with new wire. And with that, we were ready to fire her up, but then I had a 2-day snowstorm where it dropped about 18 inches out in front of my house. Gas on, power on, choke on, ignition on, ignition. Yay, me. Yeah. Okay, key in, key in, key in, ignition on, bike down. Okay, here we go. Choke on. Oh, gas on, choke on. It's cool. Water all up my face. All up my face.